This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Interactive Brokers account, open it, verify identity, and fund it. Once done, enable the specific trading permissions, stocks, options, futures, forks, because Ibkr restricts trading until permissions are set. Make sure to choose cash or margin and link your bank via ACH or wire. Funding method affects settlement times and buying power. While you wait for verification or deposit clearance, review margin requirements and permission costs so you won't be surprised when you place your first order. Now you build and place trades. First, research the ticker and pick an investment thesis, growth, income, or hedge so you know why you buy. Then create the order in Trader Workstation or Client Portal. Choose market if you need immediate execution or limit to control price. Set quantity, check margin usage, and pick time in force like day or GTC. Use advanced routing or smart to optimize execution, and if using options, verify Greeks and assignment risk before submitting. Finish by actively managing positions. You should monitor P&L, margin thresholds, and trade confirmations so nothing surprises you overnight. Rebalance or hedge as your thesis changes, and use alerts and stop-loss orders to protect capital. When closing, choose specific tax lots to control gains. If something goes wrong, an order fails or fills unexpectedly, first check your permissions, available buying power, and routing settings. If still unresolved, contact Ibkr support with screenshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.